Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Today we have the Pamu Slide 2s. Now, these are not out yet. Got a little connection, reached out to them. They sent them, so we're like, let's do an unboxing. Let's test it out. Now, this box is really bright. The lights, you really can't see it. But we're going to unbox these bad boys and see what these are about. Right now, they are not officially out, so they don't have the price yet. But I'm guessing like all their products, they're gonna be in that budget range of 50 to 60 bucks, pushing 70. I don't know, but I'll put the official price in the comments for you guys so you guys can check that out. Let's bust this bad boy out. Okay, nice little case. See what's in the box. Little phone. All right, let's put that box to the side. Let's see here. Little pouch to put your earbuds in so the case doesn't get messed up, I'm guessing. Instruction manual and paperwork. USB Type-C to charge up. And there's one more box in here, and I'm guessing these are ear tips for different size ears and stuff. Quicker, Rod, quicker. I know. Don't click off the video yet. Just give me some time, please, believe me. Tips. All right, so that's what comes in the box. And of course, you got your earbuds right here. When it comes to the battery life, it says the battery life is 26 hours, and I'm guessing that means with the case too. So like, there's probably off of a single charge, these probably last for like 6 hours, 5 hours or something, but the case, you'll be able to recharge it up. So that gives you the 26 hours. I'm pretty sure you can use these in mono, so you can just have one charging all the time while you're using the other one. I like the way this case opens up, man. So here goes the case. The case, you guys, a little slide up feature, and it's pretty compact case. This sizing is not too big. I like the slide up. The slide up looks like the Sidekick. I like that a lot. The earbud is nothing too crazy. Normally the kind of designs we're used to. And I do see that the earbud part that goes in your ear is a little bit thicker, and I'm guessing that's why they're so confident it won't fall out your ears, because it'll take up so much of that space and have, it can grip onto your ears basically because of the size. But I do like the design of this, and I like that it's not too bulky. Sometimes you get a little light at the bottom that shows, I'm guessing that's your battery life of what's left in the case. So all around, I like the design. All right, so we got them in the ear. Now, one thing I was seeing that we're promoting on their website is never fall out. These would never fall out. They were saying, like, I've seen it like 3 times on their website for this thing. And I'm the perfect person for these because I struggle with stemless earbuds. This is like not really a stem. It's like way too wide. So like these type of earbuds I kind of struggle with, like just the buds ones. But these do feel like they're not going to go anywhere. They feel good. They're really in there. They might not be lying when they say never fall out. They might not be lying. So they are touch control. Double tap to go first song, last song. Do I slide for volume? Yes, I do. Where's it at? I seen it move. One tap to play. One tap to stop. I'll figure out volume later. Now this says it has low latency, so when you're watching stuff, videos and all that, you're not really gonna have no lag. So that's what they say. And also they were hyping up the bass on there. I seen like feel the bass, hear the bass, powerful bass. So we're also gonna test that out. So let me see how this thing connects, because I know it's Bluetooth 5.2. Oh, I hear it, pairing mode. So let's see. Let's see if it's already waiting for me. There it goes. Pamu Slide 2. Connected. So it's connected now. And you know what? I'm gonna get a little test run and see how it's feeling. Let's play the new Bad Bunny. See what I'm feeling. Turn up to max. I need a song with some bass now. Another perfect song. Pretty good bass. It's my bass song. I use this song for my highs because the claps and the hi-hats are so loud in the song. All right, so when it comes to the noise canceling, I can already tell right when I switch it. You just hold the right earbud and then you can switch the modes. And I figured out finally how to do the volume. You got to start from the top and then slide down. But the noise canceling, you can really tell that is really blocking out the rest of the world. And let me take these off because music's playing. You can really tell that it's blocking off the rest of the world. So you're not really going to have nothing coming in there. The volume is pretty decent as well in noise canceling mode. Normally that's a problem with a lot of earbuds lately. There's very few brands that they have active noise canceling, but at the same time they still let you have, you know, a decent amount of volume or louder, like blasting loud. Now, these ones have pretty good volume for noise canceling earbuds, unlike some of the other brands we've had on here where it's just like, it feels like the volume's only at like barely above medium, and that's as high as it goes because it's noise canceling earbuds. The overall sound quality, it sounded good. The highs, I didn't have no issues. I have a couple of songs that I know that the highs, the claps and all that, they're really sharp. They really get to you. They really will hurt your ears. I have a couple of those songs, and I like to see which earbuds, speakers, all that handle those better. And these handle these pretty good, or those songs pretty good with no problem. The bass that they're hyping up is just pretty decent bass. It's not the craziest bass I've heard, that's for sure. But still all around good sound overall. You get some decent, nice bass, some good volume on noise canceling earbuds, and also, you know, there's no crazy highs or nothing. It keeps that pretty tame to keep you from hurting your ears. The comfort is pretty bulky, and that's probably what keeps them from falling out any type of ears, I'm guessing, because they're really confident on the ear part is that they won't fall out, and I'm guessing that comes from, you know, the bulkiness of the part that goes inside of your ear. The design in the case, I like it. I like the case a lot. Nice, simple slide up, pull them out. Nice little design. And I also like the look of the earbud itself. The look of the earbud is pretty nice. So Pamu dropping another, you know, a budget earbud, and they're in that budget range. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds, I'm pretty sure these are going to be in the $60 range, a little bit more, a little bit less. That's going to be there. That's normally where they operate with their products. So if you're looking for some budget earbuds, definitely take a look at these, check them out, see if it's something that you're looking for. Also, check out one of these videos right here. If you're looking for some more budget earbuds, I got some for you right there. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. See you guys in the next video. Peace.